All done. That's a pain. It's fucking windy, so gotta make sure it's tight. I used all of it. Like, comment, subscribe, guys.
It's tight because it's windy over here where I live. I wanted to get more on the top, but I didn't want to grab. So, see if we can work with this, you know? I haven't painted in like a year since the last time. I'll show you a picture. Show you a picture the last time I did it. These things are expensive, $30. $30 for one of these. And then of course paint is expensive too. I'm gonna be painting on my homie too soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyone else that wants to paint, you know, that has poles in the front house or trees where we can wrap some stuff, let me know. I'll pull up to your pad, you know, on the IE or whatever we can paint, you know. And do something like this. But yeah, let's go. Let me see your paint. Oh my goodness.
It's white.
Oh, for the base, okay. And then you, Gianna? You have a unicorn? It's pretty? Yeah? Oh my goodness. I have a little drink real quick, guys. Oh, dying. I got no nails. Cheers. Let's get painting, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, all right? Let's do something.
Land of the free, the home of the brave. Yo, it's the land of the free, the home of the brave. Yo, it's the land of the free, the home of the brave. Yo, it's the land of the free, the home of the brave. Now the biggest problem, land of the free, the home of the slave. Yo, it's the land of the free, the home of the slave. Yo, it's the biggest problem, no solutions for them. Still danger, just no nuisance on. America can't cut. Now, unfortunately, this a conversation I'ma have with you. Cause there'll be days you'll tread without your dad with you. See, there's a difference with some of those in your class with you. That very difference why some go grow.
These cans are awesome. I used to use the fucking Rostos, the Home Depot guys, and they were garbage, you know. They wouldn't hold or they'll leak too much, you know. These are like low pressure, so you barely tap at them and they come out really smooth. I like them, and I got a fat tip right now. I'm using a fat tip to do the shading, so yeah. It doesn't look good right now because of the wind and everything like that, and I haven't painted in like a year. I'm not that good either anyways, that's why I'm a rookie.
And bear the pain, that's why our prayers include the families of those slain. Those black bodies transition to modern strange fruit. I'm sorry to curse, but fuck police, I wish them pain too.
So simple, guys. You guys want to paint, you know, at home, you guys want to do graffiti, all you gotta do is buy some saran wrap, Home Depot, 28 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever it is. You have a pole or two trees, you know. Do not use an easy up because I already snapped mine last time. I fucking bent too much pressure. You need to make it tight. Get yourself some gloves, you know, and just practice. Do not do it on walls. I'm not telling you to do walls unless it's permitted. Unless it's permitted. But if you guys are subscribed, thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Yeah, let's get back into it.
Greatness while uplifting your spirit. I'ma teach you how your blackness is gifted from God. And no matter how they see you, you'll see yourself be instead. And every day expose your greatness while uplifting your spirit. I'ma teach you how your blackness is gifted from God. And no matter how they see you, you'll see yourself beating odds. You had the confidence, the love, all the tools to exude light. Intuitive and not a thug or they shrewd stereotypes. My baby boy, I know at your age this a lot to take up, but I must prepare you for America. Yeah, I must prepare you for America.
You guys know who it is, right? Look at this. Check it out. You guys know who that is. I'll do a little character right now. You know, I ain't the best, of course, but it's something. Mama, who's that guy in the purple?
Among Us.
Among Us? Yeah, look at you guys got all dirty. Look. Oh my goodness, Gianna.
That's Gianna's, that's mine.
Oh, okay. I like them. They're pretty. All done, guys. Windy, so yeah, if you guys want to do it, you guys could do it. Anybody could do it. Yeah, so if you guys could get that thing 28 bucks and just wrap your poles if you guys have poles at home, or trees, or yeah, anything that's really sturdy in the ground, you know. If you guys have a wall, let me know. Let's do something. But yeah, so very simple, very quick. Hopefully you guys liked it, you know, and the little Among Us character on the side, you know. honestly, what I think, I like the character way better than what I did my name. What do you guys think? You guys like the rookie name, the rookie graffiti that I just did, or the Among Us character? I think the Among Us. I like the Among Us. Give it a like, guys. Please share it to somebody that likes art, you know, graffiti, all that. So yeah, I gotta take the girls inside. I'm gonna let this dry. I could just cut it down, put it in the trash, and recycle, and that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. We are all rookies, all right? Chase your dreams, all right? No matter all the negativity, guys. Keep pushing, keep grinding. You guys got this.